This tutorial shows how to tie a toe ring to the end of a tow rope using a Bowline knot. Wrap tape around the end of the tow rope. To protect the knot and toe ring, push the end of the rope through a crosscut in the center of a half tennis ball. Slide the ball out of the way. Make an overhand loop partway up the rope. Then pass the end of the rope through the toe ring. Bring the end up through the loop, around and behind the standing part of the rope, and back down through the loop. Always make sure that the end of the rope exits the knot toward the inside of the loop. Snug up the knot. Pull the tennis ball back down, and you're done.